Scenario 1, formation pressure, it's just a low zone.
He assumed the formation pressure would hold.
He was wrong, the influx surged up the hole.
And with it, the chance to contain the well vanished. Welcome back to RigPro Academy, where we examine real-world incidents and the hard lessons they leave behind. Today, the hidden danger of assumptions in the oil field.
Drilling is high-consequence work. And it's not what you don't know that hurts you, it's what you think you know that just isn't true.
In one Gulf of Mexico well, the team believed the next formation was a low-pressure gas stringer, just like the offset data suggested. They dropped mud weight in anticipation.
But when they tagged bottom, it kicked hard.
The formation had overpressure due to fault compartmentalization.
The offset assumption? Useless.
Always verify pressure trends with real-time MWD and ECD data, not offset bias.
Challenge assumptions with live evidence. Scenario 2, auto modes got it, trusting automation blindly. During managed pressure drilling in the Middle East, one rig operated in auto-choke mode.
The driller noticed a slight gain in pit volume, but trusted the system to react. Turns out the choke algorithm glitched under rapid influx. By the time they switched to manual, they'd lost pressure balance and time.
Automation assists. It doesn't replace decision-making. Monitor response lag. If something feels wrong, trust the human over the machine. Scenario 3, he's run this test a dozen times, complacency in routine tasks. A junior crew member skipped verification during a BOP test. The assumption? He knows the routine. But a failed ram seal went unnoticed.
2 weeks later, when it mattered, that BOP leaked during a surface control event.
Assumption breeds blind spots. Use checklists. Cross-verify. No exceptions.
Breaking the cycle, how to think critically under pressure.
So, how do we stop making deadly assumptions? With discipline. With data.
And with deliberate communication. Create a team culture that rewards checking, questioning, and documenting.
Teach crews to say, let's confirm that before we act. Every blowout begins with a belief. Every NPT hour starts with a shortcut.
You can't eliminate all unknowns, but you can stop assuming they don't matter.
Scenario 4, we logged it yesterday, no change expected.
Formation logs were clean yesterday, so a pressure test was skipped, but subsurface stress shifted overnight, causing an unexpected loss during circulation.
Conditions change fast. Retest barriers after long pauses. Don't assume the ground beneath you stayed the same. Scenario 5, we've drilled this section dozens of times.
Confident from past wells, the team sputted aggressively, a hidden hard stringer fractured the MWD tool and delayed the job by days.
Familiar isn't safe.
Always start with a light touch and real-time monitoring, even on routine runs.
Scenario 6, he's the best driller on the crew.
Fatigue hit even the best man on shift.
A gain went undetected and wasn't challenged out of deference to experience.
Experience helps, but fatigue and error don't care.
Pair check high consequence calls. Scenario 7, it's just a wash job. Assuming a valve was closed led to fluid shorting an electrical panel. It started with a simple wash and ended with 18 hours of downtime. Treat small tasks seriously. Verify valve positions both mechanically and visually. Stay sharp. Stay skeptical. Stay trained. This is RigPro Academy. Thank you for watching RigPro Academy. See you next time.